Hello, welcome our GearResearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best car cleaning kit that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Meguiar's G55032 SP Complete Car Care Kit. This high-quality car care kit is produced by Meguiar's, which has been in the car care business for over a century. It includes 12 items that are designed to clean your vehicle's interior and exterior, including car wash shampoo and conditioner, liquid wax, quick detailer, quick interior detailer, Scratch 2.0, plastic cleaner and polish, a microfiber wash mitt, microfiber towels, and a foam applicator pad. It also comes with a clay bar, which many car wash kits don't. This product removes surface contaminants to provide a smoother finish. The wax produces a deep shine, feels slick after application, and beads water easily. The tire shine provides a long-lasting shine, and the interior detailer is not greasy like some competitor brands. One downside is that it can take a lot of time and wiping to do a complete detailing job on your vehicle using these products. Also, the foam applicator is not the best quality, and the drying towel is synthetic, not a natural chamois. However, few kits even include this type of product in their bundles. A top-to-bottom soap and water car wash is overkill, especially after a ride. Mist and wipe detailer makes short work of caked-on bugs, and, if you have ridden well, the fine coating of rubber dust that was once part of the tires. As clean spray and rinse is well suited for deeper cleans, and liquid wax adds a durable protective shine in a single step. Plastic cleaner and polish work great on clear windscreens and gauges. Number 2, Premium Car Care Kit by Armour includes car cleaning kit. This car care kit from Armour has the fewest items in its bundle, but the package is still a great buy and includes plenty of products to get your vehicle clean. The kit includes Ultra Shine Wash and Wax, glass cleaner, protectant, multi-purpose cleaner, wheel and tire cleaner, tire shine, a wash pad, and an air freshener spray. The wheel cleaner is suitable for most wheels, is easy to use, and does a good job of removing brake dust. The glass cleaner doesn't leave streaks behind, the protector provides a satin finish, and the tire shine lasts several days. Overall, this kit contains most of the items you need to do a traditional car wash. One downside is that the air freshener spray doesn't last very long. Also, the cleaning sponge is not heavy-duty, and the bundle doesn't include a bucket or receptacle to contain all the items in one place. Premium products clean and protect from the roof to the tires, and the kit includes reusable microfiber towels, a washing mitt and foam applicator pads to get the job done. Paint preparation is a snap with a boxed set of clay bars that are embedded. Number 3, Chemical Guys HOL 126 14-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. We love the Chemical Guys car wash kit because it comes with a foam gun that works with a garden hose, so you don't need a pressure washer or additional tools or machinery to get a deep clean. In addition, the kit comes with a bucket, a cyclone dirt trap, butter wet wax, honeydew snow foam, Diablo wheel gel, silk shine dressing, glass cleaner, a microfiber wash mitt, a short handle brush, microfiber towels, and a dressing applicator. Collectively, the products are designed to clean your vehicle's exterior by restoring faded trim, removing stuck-on dirt and grime, and producing a deep gloss on the finish. The products smell good, and the results are top-notch. One of the best things about this kit, not to mention kits in general, is that it's cheaper to purchase than it would be to buy all of the items separately. We also like that the foam gun is easy to use and creates excellent foaming action. One downside is that the foam gun is not designed to work with a pressure washer. Also, the kit may include items that you don't need, and it's a little on the pricey side. Applicators make waxing easy, and the short handle brush has the right kind of bristles that other brushes don't. This kit comes with the garden hose-powered foam gun soapy sprayer, which should be sufficient for most applications. If it isn't, the Chemical Guys have another kit with a foam cannon for pressure washer owners. Number 4, Adams Arsenal Builder 21-item Car Wash Kit. Adams Arsenal Builder is a robust kit with 21 products that will help you clean your vehicle inside and out. It includes car shampoo, spray wax, tire shine, wheel cleaner, interior detailer, glass cleaner, microfiber towels, a drying towel, a wheel scrubbing mitt, a wash sponge, a foam gun, a 3.5-gallon bucket, a grit guard, and an air freshener. While it's a bit expensive, it's a significant savings when compared to buying all of the items separately. We like that this kit is so versatile. It's equally as effective for the beginner car cleaner as it is for the professional detailer. Overall, the products are good quality and easy to use. The foam gun works with a standard garden hose, and it can accommodate most types of car shampoo, even those from competing brands. Unfortunately, the bucket doesn't come with a lid or a dirt filter. Also, while the products work well, sometimes the spray nozzles on the bottles will break prematurely. Item car wash kit is our top pick. The company's chemicals are top-notch, and you get a lot of great niceties for the price. Yes, it's expensive, but you know you'd really like a great white drying towel, which works really well. Really, the quality construction of the wheel brushes and microfiber towels in this complete car care kit makes this a top pick. Number 5 Chemical Guys Eco-Friendly Buster Waterless Car Wash Kit. The Drought Buster Car Wash Kit isn't your average waterless option, as it involves mixing the concentrate with distilled water in a spray bottle. The concentrate is made with a mix of carnauba wax, clay, surfactants and lubricating agents. As with all waterless car wash kits, this works better for car upkeep than after a long road trip where bugs and mud cover every inch of your vehicle. Expect to pay around $50 for this one. The kit contains 16 ounces of a waterless car wash concentrate, 4 microfiber towels and a spray bottle. Simple as a brand, Chemical Guys is known for their quality cleaning products. So while their full-service car detailing kit will cost you around $100, you can bet it's going to get the job done and then some. When washing a car at home, many people focus on the exterior shine, but a car interior cleaning kit is just as important. This full package contains products for both, so you can get stains out of your car seats and grime off your windshield. That way you can really clean an interior well. As for the exterior, you miss out on proper car wax, but instead get the company's Wash and Wax Combo Car Wash Soap to cleanse paint as well as wheel cleaner and tire shine. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.